in this video how to improve the recording quality in OBS. So first you need to go to File and click File. In this you have a setting option, click setting options. After that you have seen stream output and video settings. So stream is nothing but it's only used for streaming, so you can set, and one more option is there in advanced option, ignore streaming service settings recommended. So click it should be enabled and click OK. After that again go to file and go to settings, and now you go to output settings. In output settings you need to click output mode advanced and click recording. In this you can find out the recording format is there. So the recording format is hybrid mp4 is there. So we have two options to set in this. Either we can use this hybrid mp4 or mpeg4 we can use. So compared to mpeg4, the hybrid mp4 is much more better. So go on, you can use both, but compared to that, hybrid is better. So go on with it and click apply and OK. After that go to video settings. In the video settings you need to give the scale of 1920 into 1080 for both base and output. So give it, and after the common fps value will be, you give a 60 rate per second, so frame per second. So give apply and click OK. So this is one of the best way to improve your quality. So I hope you enjoyed this video.